All right, so I've got the old wiring harness out, and I'll box it up, put it back in here, so if somebody wants the original equipment, they can have it. I've got the neck pickup and the bridge pickup and the switches and the ground all loose. All right, so we've got them placed. Now we're going to tighten them down and then solder them all up.
So you're not taping yourself so that you can like put it on YouTube.
All right, that's right. I'm putting it on YouTube.
You are?
I am. All right, so we have the new pots and the new bumblebees, and we've gotten rid of this garbage. This is 59 Gibson reissue, and it should be a 59. But they didn't make them as well in 2001 as they do today, but we'll fix that. Well, you just know that's better. I'll be putting the original pots and cats